Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on one beautiful 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. Wow, what a pretty car. This car has been rotisserie restored, has a mile-built 350 small block under the hood, 350 turbo automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front. It has the factory 57 Chevrolet wire wheels, Coker wide white wall tires, beautiful original style interior. This car is absolutely stunning. It's got 586 miles on it since it was restored, and they did just an absolute killer job on this car. The body, the paint, the interior, just beautiful in every way. Nice, beautiful white convertible top. I already had the top down before I took the photos and videos, so. Got an aftermarket set of gauges in the dash. They look spectacular. It's got a retro radio, got kick panel speakers. Left turn, right turn, bright headlight indicator, horn works, radio works. Even got a clock over there, the clock works. The blower motor works. This is just one stunning car. The paint on it is beautiful. Tail lights, turn signals. Inside the trunk is gorgeous. Beautiful inside the trunk. Jams are very, very nice. The chrome on the car is all brand new. The stainless trim is all polished to perfection. All the glass in the car is beautiful. There's the 350 small block under the hood, aluminum intake, Holley carburetor, power steering and brakes. Electric fan. I have all them headlights. Yeah, that headlight ain't working now. Yeah. Maybe I had them on dims before. All the side panels, the carpet, the seats, everything on this beautiful car has been completely redone. There's no bubbles, there's no blisters, nothing like that. Just one gorgeous 57 convertible. And this is the way I like them. You know, a little bit retro, resto-modded. I call it resto-modded. I mean, it's, you know, small block 350 with a 3-speed automatic transmission instead of a power glide. Power steering and brakes. So much fun when you can get cars in like this that are just this nice. We'll take it out for a spin. It does have a little indicator there that shows you what gear you're in. Put her in D for drive. Went out and had lunch with my dad a little while ago. We took this thing, so. Radio works. you're looking for a 57 Chevy convertible, I say they don't get any better. This is a beautiful car. Especially for that price on this car. That's a great price on it. I've seen these cars advertised for 140, 150, 160, and they probably haven't been as nice as this one. The chrome on this car is just stunning. This car will not be around here long for 1099. Let this semi go by and then we'll head back to town. Radio works good. Awesome car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. Give us a call. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. Wow, what a beautiful ride. Thanks for watching, everybody. Talk to you soon.